Assalamu alaikum. Hello, students of class 7. I hope you all are well. Okay, I'm S.M. Ariful Alam, assistant teacher, Perfect English Bhalan Secondary School. Today is 8th August 2021. I'm taking your online class on English first paper. Our today's topic, Unit 4, Lesson 8, Bidoy gets a letter from his cousin. Okay, students, let's go to the point. Students, if you notice this passage, that Unit 4, Lesson 8, Bidoy gets a letter from his cousin. Actually, it's a personal letter. If you notice, we'll find that this passage is divided into some parts. The top right part of this letter is Junakipur High School, Post Junakipur, District Nilphamari. And it is the first part of this letter, number 1. This part is named headings. If you notice this part, we can see that Junakipur High School, Post Junakipur, District Nilphamari, the writer's address of the letter. And there is also 12 May 2013. So we can say that heading is formed with address and date of the letter, and this part will be top right side of the letter. Then there is Dear Bidoy. Dear Bidoy. This part is called greeting or salutation. Salutation. You can write this part in two ways, formal and informal. Okay, we are making a note here. Greeting. Greeting. This part can be two types. Number 1, formal. Here can be cited Dear plus friend relative or name. And there is another type is informal. And this type can be only used for the friend. These types can be started with I or hello plus friend. Then the body of the letter is started here. The body is from thank you for a letter to that I'm on the committee too. If you notice, you can see that the first sentence of this letter is Thank you for your letter of 1st May. This sentence is called the introduction of the body. In this sentence, you can also write, how are you? Or here can be cited the previous letter, and that Hriday did so. Then you can write what you want to say, what's your mind want to say to your near and dear. Then I'm coming to see to give my regards to aunt and uncle. It is also the last part of the body. And in this part, you want to say that your letter is at the end. And at the last, you give regards to your near and dear guardians. The next part, all the best, is considered as closing. In this part, you can also write your ever sincerely yours, your love, your loving friend, etc. Then the writer's name is signature here, and this part is called signature. Okay, students, from this personal letter, we learned that the personal letter has main 5 parts. They are heading, which is consisting with address and date, and this part will be top right side of the letter. The second part is greeting or salutation. Number 3, the third part is body. This part is divided into some sections. The first one is introduction. Second one is called respectable regards. The fourth part of this letter is called clothing. And the last part of this letter is called signature. And what should you write in the different part? That was discussed here. I hope you can write, and I'll give you a home task that imagine you are Hriday, write a reply to Riya's letter. Okay, dear students, I am finishing for today. The next time we'll discuss more. Till then, I hope all of you healthy and happy life.